CNmoulding, professional soft rubber product solutions providers, a company specializing in soft rubber product design, mold development, and manufacturing. CNmoulding leverages extensive industry experience and technical expertise to provide one-stop soft rubber product solutions, including customized production using various materials such as silicone, TPU, and TPU CNmoulding's core advantage zone, diverse material options to meet various needs. We offer a wide range of soft rubber materials, including food-grade silicone, FDAL, FGB compliant, suitable for baby products and kitchenware. High elasticity, TPU, wear-resistant, tear-resistant, ideal for sports gear and industrial components. Eco-friendly TPE recyclable, low hardness, perfect for medical devices and electronic accessories. Special performance soft rubber custom options for high temperature resistance, flame retardancy, conductivity, etc. 2. Precision mold development ensures product quality, high precision, CNC, machining and 3D printing, mold flow analysis, optimized mold structure. Support for multi-cavity and stack mold designs to improve production efficiency. Capable of producing ultra-thin soft rubber parts as thin as 0.2 mm to meet high precision requirements. Advanced manufacturing processes, guarantee performance. Liquid silicone rubber LSR injection molding, old ideal for high-precision medical and electronic components. Solid silicone compression molding, suitable for high-temperature kitchenware and seals. TPE injection molding, used for anti-slip grips, sports protectors, etc. Overmolding, two-shot molding, combines hard and soft rubber for enhanced functionality for strict quality control, complies with international standards. ISO 9001 certification ensures standardized production processes. REACH compliance testing meets export requirements. Physical performance testing, tensile strength, tear resistance, temperature resistance, etc. Why choose CN? End-to-end support from design to mass production. DFM design for manufacturability analysis optimizes product structure. EPIC prototyping and small batch production shortens product development cycles. Cost-optimized solutions, material selection and process improvements reduce overall costs. Global logistics supports stable supply chain for markets in Europe, America, Asia, and beyond. Contact us for professional soft rubber solutions. DL 8621591347 FAX 8621599790 WhatsApp WeChat +8613061707 Email webmaster@cnmoulding.com. CNmoulding, your trusted soft rubber manufacturing partner.